In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cut and move audio in CapCut PC step by step so you can trim your clips cleanly, split audio into sections, and reposition it on the timeline with confidence. This is super useful if your audio is too long, starts too early, needs to be resynced with your video, or if you just want more control over your edit. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project that contains the audio you want to edit. Once you're inside your timeline, look for the audio clip you want to work on. You can cut audio in two main ways, and the first method is trimming the beginning or the end of the clip. To do that, move your mouse over the start or end edge of the audio clip. When your cursor changes into a double-sided arrow, that means you're in the right spot. Click and drag inward to shorten the audio. If you drag from the beginning, you'll remove the front portion. If you drag from the end, you'll remove the ending portion. This is the fastest way to clean up audio that runs too long or starts too early. Now, if you want to cut audio in the middle and separate it into different sections, you'll need to use the split tool. Start by moving the vertical white playhead line to the exact point where you want the cut to happen. Take your time here because the playhead position controls exactly where the split will be made. Once the playhead is in place, make sure your audio track is highlighted or selected, then click the split tool, which is usually shown as a scissors icon above the timeline. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+B. CapCut will immediately cut the audio at that point and create two separate clips. This is very helpful when you want to remove a section, create a pause, or make a precise edit in the middle of a track. After splitting your audio, you can move each part independently. This is where timeline control becomes really important. To move audio in CapCut PC, simply click and hold the audio clip, then drag it left or right on the timeline. You can use this to resync the audio with your video, line it up with another sound effect, or shift it to match the timing of a voiceover. If the clip doesn't move exactly where you want, zoom into the timeline for more precision. Small adjustments can make a huge difference, especially when you're syncing speech, music, or sound effects. If you split the audio into multiple pieces, you can move each section separately and arrange them however you like. For example, you might cut out a mistake in the middle of a voice recording, move the remaining parts together, and create a cleaner final edit. Or you might shorten background music and reposition it so it fits your video better. CapCut makes this process simple once you know where the split and drag tools are. One thing to keep in mind is that if you want the audio to stay aligned with your video, you should pay close attention to where the clip starts after moving it. A small shift can change the rhythm of your edit, so always preview your timeline after making changes. Play it back a few times and check whether the audio and video still feel natural together. If not, just drag the clip again until it fits perfectly. So to recap, trimming audio is done by dragging the edges inward. Splitting audio is done by placing the playhead and using the scissors icon or Ctrl+B. And moving audio is as simple as clicking and dragging the clip along the timeline. Once you understand these three actions, you'll have much more control over your edits in CapCut PC. If this video helped you learn how to cut and move audio in CapCut PC, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.